Hi guys, welcome to Girl Power. Maliha and I were talking about complexions, fair complexion, dark complexion. Ever since morning we were looking up commercials on YouTube. And so we thought, how about like pick this topic up since it's a major issue in Pakistan, especially Pakistan and India. So, would you marry a guy with a dark complexion or a fair complexion?
I don't mind either. Fair. I like tan better than dark though. Like I don't mind. It doesn't have to be white. It doesn't have to be dark. I like fair. I like tan also. So yeah. I think tan is a better complexion than fair or dark.
It matters where you are and where you live. For example, agar aap Pakistan mein reh rahe and there are more tan people here, and if for example you like a guy who's a Pakistani or an Indian or those who have complexion a dark one, so you would just go for him. And if you're living in the States or like
I would like to add something here. I would like Desi fair, like Pakistani fair, but I don't like
Gora fair.
Gora fair. I just don't like that complexion.
If I were in America, London, and if I liked a guy there and he happened to be a Jew or Christian, तो उसका complexion fair होता, I would have married him.
Complexion religion से थोड़ी बदलता है. Complexion तो आप जिस जगह पे रहते हो, like for example, even in Pakistan, different जगह पे हाँ उन लोगों के रंग अलग हो. For example, if you go to Nathia Gully or up north or into the mountainous areas, you see all the Pathans with like blue eyes or green eyes and really fair skin. But if you come back here, then there'll be people slightly darker with different complexions. I think it's because of the climate and where you live, which is also probably why, even though we're all humans, we have different colors, we're from different races. I think it's all because of the climate. Not very sure.
हमारे यहाँ ये लगता है कि लड़के का रंग नहीं देखा जाता, बनिस्बत लड़की के रंग को ज़्यादा देखा जाता है.
दोनों देखा जाता है, लेकिन लड़की का ज़्यादा देखा जाता है.
लड़की का
ज़्यादा देखा जाता है.
क्योंकि मैंने आज तक नहीं सुना है कि अगर रिश्ता अरेंज मैरिज में रिश्ता लेने के लिए जा रहे हो तो लड़की वाले कभी नहीं देखेंगे कि लड़के का रंग वगैरह कैसे बस कमाता अच्छा है.
Have you heard of tall, dark and handsome? So basically a guy should be tall, dark and handsome while girl should be fair. Here, only in our country.
But it's not fair. Because हमारे यहाँ उमूमन जो रिश्ता करवाने वाली ख़वातीन होती हैं और जो रिश्ता ढूंढ रहे होते हैं अपनी लड़की के लिए, वो उमूमन गोरे रंग को देखेंगे, अपनी लड़की का गोरा रंग प्रेफर करेंगे, जबकि लड़का जो है वो बदसूरत होगा, काला होगा, उसको लड़की अच्छी मिल जाएगी, उसको गोरी लड़की मिलेगी, पढ़ी लिखी लड़की मिलेगी, दुनिया की सबसे अच्छी लड़की होगी वो.
It should be equal. If the guy is fair, maybe the girl should be fair. Actually, that doesn't even matter. That it just depends if whoever they like. Like for example, some of the most beautiful women in the world are black.
Yeah.
Like black African American black, for example.
Oprah, she's pretty.
Beyonce.
Halle Berry.
She's not black. She's tan. But
yeah. She's still pretty.
Basically, black women are really, really pretty.
Yeah.
It's just, I don't know why in Pakistan people don't like the color black. I'm not sure. Like, I still remember when I was born, I was a fair baby. Then when you start going to school because of the sun and everything, you participate in sports day. Every sports day, we would get majorly tan. And the only person who used to have like a major concern was my dadi. My dadi was only okay, no, and yes, you should use sunblock to protect your skin and everything, but if your color becomes darker, it shouldn't, because it goes away with time anyway, and even if it doesn't, so what?
Exactly.
It was really funny. I was talking to my dadi, and actually, I don't know if I should say this, she'll probably kill me, but for my brother, they wanted to look for a girl, and we don't really believe in arranged marriages, like from my mom's side, but my dadi, she wants to find him a gory girl, and my brother's not fair. He's tan. So why should he get a fair girl when he's tan? Why isn't it like that? Even though he's my brother, I'm still saying it's not fair. I was like, what if I raised the question, what if he wants to marry an African American? What are you going to do then? Good. And then she's like, no, we don't want him to marry a black girl. And I said, why? And basically she had nothing to say, but हमें कोई काली लड़की नहीं चाहिए.
Why?
Because she's fair. Dadi's fair. That's why I think. But my brother's not. So why should he marry a girl that's fair when he's not fair?
I think ये complexion का जो मैटर है,
ये पुराने ज़माने के लोग कुछ ज़्यादा करते हैं.
पुराने ज़माने के जिस तरह हमारे ये शुरू से चलता हुआ आ रहा है कि लड़का ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है लड़की से हमारे माशरे में, इसी तरह शुरू से ये है कि fair complexion ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है.
नहीं, I mean there's some guys who look better tan than they look fair.
Exactly.
I mean some people who are too fair, they look sick. And they seriously do. And
Yeah.
some people look really nice fair. It's just your natural complexion is what's gonna suit you best. I think so.
You should just carry it well.
Yeah, you can look nice in any form if you just take care of yourself properly. And being dark, being black, yellow, whatever color, even if you're blue, doesn't make a difference, man. I think it doesn't. I mean, there was a cartoon called the Smurfs. They were all blue people. It was one of my favorite cartoons. Now there's no discrimination over cartoons because they're blue or yellow or pink. So why is it between human beings if we're white or black?
But how is it that we never see commercials of creams and lotions that turn people into dark?
Very good point. We have the stupidest of commercials. There was one I saw. Okay, एक अजीब टेलीमोल पता नहीं इस किस्म के ridiculous ads आते हैं about how acne and a dark complexion लड़की की शादी में problems करती हैं. Not saying that it's not true. It is true, but that's not because it's the girl's fault or whatever. Firstly, looks shouldn't be the only criteria for marriage, and I know that they are one. Secondly, color should not be one at all.
नहीं, लेकिन एक होता है decent way में चलें, आप दिखा दें कि आपका कलर गोरा हो जाएगा, जिस तरह कुछ होते हैं सही होते हैं, ठीक है, उनको अपनी एडवर्टीजमेंट वगैरह करनी थी. और कुछ इतने स्टूपिड होते हैं कभी कभार कि बाकायदा वो दिखाते हैं कि लड़की के रिश्ते के लिए जाते हैं, लड़की
डार्क होती है तो मना कर देते हैं.
लड़का जो है वो गोरा होता है तो वो कहता है कि सोच के बताऊंगा. फिर वो उसकी माँ जो उसको एडवाइस करती है कि तुम ये वाली लोशन लगाया करो, उस लगाती है. और फिर जब उसका रिश्ता देने के लिए जाते कहती है मैं सोच के बताऊंगी. एक अभी रिसेंट कमर्शियल आ रहा है, उसमें लड़की जो है वो लड़की के साथ देयर ऑन अ डेट, और वो लड़का कहता है कि मेरे साथ तुम, मेरे बगैर तुम यहाँ, मेरे साथ तुम यहाँ. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको लड़की का रंग कम होता है, लड़की का ज़्यादा अच्छा गोरा होता है. वो उनको पता नहीं कौन एडवाइस करते हैं, उनको नज़र आता है कि वो क्रीम होती है वो लगाती हैं, 7 दिन में उनका रंग गोरा हो जाता है. वो उनके साथ जब दोबारा डेट पे जाने के लिए होती है तो वो मुड़ जाती है, कहता है मेरे बगैर, तो वो कहती है कि यहाँ. तो जब उनका गोरा रंग हो गया तो वो यहाँ आ गई हैं.
और एक और बात है, like people in Pakistan, they want to be fair, but like people abroad, for example, maybe the goras in Australia, London, America, they actually want to become tan. So I think it's about having what you don't have.
Exactly.
Like I have, like we have one straight hair. If I have a fair complexion, I want a dark complexion. If I have a dark complexion, I want a fair complexion. But it's how people think over here. They make being fair the most important thing.
How come having a skin color, a gora skin color is important while having a red? इसके बाल red नहीं है, मैं तो इससे शादी नहीं करवाऊंगी अपनी बेटी की. इसके बाल काले नहीं हैं.
You know what? That's also a big deal. अगर like for example, when I got my hair red and I got my hair blue, the amount of things I was called by, especially the old aunties, it wasn't even funny. It was like I was called the most retarded of things just because I got my hair colored. How does the color of my hair change me as a person inside? I don't understand. I did get my hair colored red. I've done a lot to my hair, and I'm not going to stop because some aunties have issues with it. To hell with them. I like it. I'm going to do it, right?
True.
And just changing the color of your hair with some dye doesn't mean that I'm a bad person. So it's just dumb to think like that.
Like for example, if you come to my hair, I wanted to get it dyed, like a pink, shocking pink color, but I didn't because and somebody advised me that you should get a brunette color or something that darker.
It is true. You should know what hair color suits your complexion. Like for example, if you're really really dark and you go for blonde, it wouldn't look really nice.
Exactly.
That is important, but the fact that you get your hair color doesn't make you a bad person, even if it's a color as bold as red.
I mean, Michael Jackson,
I love him.
He got his complexion fair.
You know that people do misunderstand and everybody has their own different opinion about it, but Michael Jackson had a disease called vitiligo. It was a skin problem, which is why he got plastic surgeries done. He didn't do it to become fair. I mean, look at the songs he sung with black women.
Yeah.
Look at everything. How can you even call him racist? He's not. I mean,
True.
It's not like that. As for his face changing, nose changing, I'm no one to say anything about that. Everybody knows that it was because of his bad childhood or whatever. But as for his skin color, which he himself has said is because of his disease called vitiligo, and if you look closely at some of his pictures, you can see the discoloration and patches on his skin. So.
But yeah, concluding this, I don't think if
maybe we should ask them if they'd marry or would go for a black guy, yellow guy, a white guy.
Yeah. How about you tell us कि आप किससे शादी करना चाहेंगे, गोरे लड़के से, काली लड़की से, किससे शादी करना चाहेंगे, और does this even matter at all? इंसान को अच्छा होना चाहिए कि नहीं, वो मैटर नहीं करता क्या? So yeah. Till next time. Bye bye.